How to recover your permanently deleted TikTok account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your TikTok application and create a secondary ID. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down a bit and tap on report a problem. Now go to account and profile. Click on login and go to other. Tap on need more help. Now describe your issue here and tap on submit. And wait for some time until TikTok resolves your issue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.